Mini flat iron. Oh, let me tell you. So I hated that sound I just made. Hi Mal Pals and New Pals, welcome to the second official installment of 5 Minute Friday. I'm gonna give you 5 must-have products for short, fine hair if you're growing it out, if you're not growing it out. If you are like me and you are struggling to grow out your hair that has been falling out for a while, the #1 thing that you need is a good deep conditioner, and the one that I have been loving and highly suggest is like a deep reparative conditioner and almost like a gloss finish for your hair, and that is the Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Mask. Instantly infuses hair with moisture and nourishment. I mean, sometimes I'll sleep in this, to be honest, but you leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes. So if you're, quick on the go, 5 Minute Friday, you got 5 minutes, put this in. Know that I love the Invisible Oil primer version of this. This hair mask is incredible, and I feel like it has made my hair much more manageable and less frizzy, and it has given it some shine. I do this about twice a week. #2, this is specifically something that you need if your hair has been falling out like mine has, whether it's hormonal, stress related, or both. This is the 4th bottle that I have had. Used this last year when all of my hair started coming out and then it started falling out again, and I have seen amazing results with this. And what I will do is go in, especially I have lost hair around my face and in the crown of my head back here, and more so on this side and behind the ears. It has just fallen. Anyway, this is the Kerastase Initialist Advanced Scalp and Hair Concentrate. I went to a hair salon last year, and she told me that one of the mothers that came in, that is her client, bought this for her daughter that had hair loss from ponytails, like dances and things like that. So she would put this around her face, and her daughter grew back her hair, and I was like, okay, well, let's try. I don't believe in like hair growth serums. I feel like a lot of them can be gimmicky, but some of them can be good, and this is one that is good. And I already have so much more hair around my face, and this is incredible. All of this, you can see like the balding area. Like, I didn't have this part of my hair. Can you see the line of where it was like this? All of this right here is from me applying this around my face. #3 is a all-in-one type of hairstyling product, because you want to be careful when you have finer, shorter hair. Overloading your hair with hair product can weigh it down and make it look damaged. And I have been loving the Virtue Refresh Dry Shampoo. Apply this to your roots, and then you wait. I wait about like 5 minutes, and then I massage it in. And then I will also apply this to the ends of my hair to give texture and hold. So this has been a great all-in-one type of product for my short, fine hair, and I love the way it smells. It really does make my hair feel clean. I also like to apply this on wash days, and also before I go to sleep if I know I need to wear my hair down a second day. 2 hairstyling products for you that will change the game if you have short hair, fine hair. The new Hot Tools 1-Step Detachable Blowout. Now, this is how I like to use this, because I don't like to have necessarily a concentrated amount of heat on my hair, like on a metal piece, for that long. I will either let my hair air dry as much as possible or quickly halfway dry it and then go and smooth it. But what I love is my bangs. Chris cut my bangs to be like curtain bangs, so I like to go in and flip them out and really style and smooth my bangs with this. This is also great if you dampen your hair the next day and you use this. I like it for my root area. Also really smooths the ends, and I absolutely love this. It is simple, but it works. And last but not least, I think that any hair junkie needs this in their collection, but it is a mini flat iron. Oh, let me tell you. So I hated that sound I just made. I love my GHD Platinum to smooth everything, but I love this T3 Mini for details, like, really getting in there. And also I have regrowth, okay, that likes to stick up, so I like to, kind of smooth it, and I just feel you can get more precision with A mini flat iron is also good for quick little touch-ups, especially if you have like layers or pixie or bangs. Highly recommend. So that is it for this 5-Minute Friday. I will have everything linked below that I'm wearing, that I talked about. You can follow me on Instagram at Mallory_Brooke. I share more hair stuff on Instagram stories all the time. So go follow me on there so we can keep up with each other. And I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck with your hair journey. Goodbye.
All right.